We're just over a kilometre off the Scarborough shore here, and this is where Toronto Hydro has put an anemometer, a wind measuring device, about 13 metres of water. The idea is to test the wind in the area to see the viability of putting up wind turbines all along this area. Toronto Hydro plans to measure the wind out here for at least 2 years before putting up any wind turbines. The hope is that at some point they could generate up to 200 megawatts of renewable power.
We're looking at probably between 100 to 200 megawatts of renewable energy, which would require probably 30 to 60 wind turbines in the end if the wind production and the construction cost was reasonable and supported a business case.
The platform has 3 wind turbines and a solar panel to power all the instruments aboard. It measures the temperature and wind speed and direction. It also has a LiDAR, which shoots a light 150 meters in the air and can measure the wind velocity all the way along. Where the anemometer is placed is right across from an industrial area right now, but Toronto Hydro could possibly put wind turbines all the way along the Scarborough bluffs. That doesn't sit well with the residents who live there, and they've bitterly complained about the project. Opposition to the wind turbines is centered on a number of concerns. People are worried about the effects on their health, on their property values, and even on the erosion of the Scarborough bluffs themselves. They're also worried about the impact it might have on sailing in the area or wildlife. For the Toronto Sun, I'm Jonathan Jenkins.